Welcome to another WPXPO tutorial. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best free table rate shipping plugin for WooCommerce. We all know shipping is complex, but this plugin makes table rate shipping easier. Let's see what we are going to cover. We'll set up table rate shipping based on quantity, weight, cart total, and more. Then we'll explore advanced options like tax handling and shipping method visibility. And as a bonus, I'll show you how to create free shipping and flat rate shipping with advanced conditions that aren't possible using WooCommerce default settings. The plugin is called WowShipping, and we'll be using the free version. It's a relatively new plugin, has solid reviews, and works smoothly with the latest versions of WordPress, WooCommerce, and PHP. Plus, the team behind it releases updates regularly, so it's actively maintained and reliable. The best thing about WowShipping is that it works smoothly with WooCommerce shipping zones and other shipping plugins. You can still use WooCommerce local pickup, free shipping, and flat rates without any issues. What I can say is that if you're looking for a practical and free way to manage table rate shipping, keep watching. The free version is enough for most stores. Let's install the plugin. So from the dashboard, go to Plugins and Add Plugin and search for WowShipping. That's the plugin. Click on Install Now and activate. Alright, the plugin is now installed and activated. You'll find it right under the WooCommerce menu. From here, you can add shipping methods, explore analytics, and set global settings. Let's add a shipping method. Click this button to open the setup area. First, give the shipping method a name. This is what customers will see at checkout. Next, select a shipping zone. Right now, I don't have any shipping zones set up, so let me quickly create one. Head over to WooCommerce settings, then click the Shipping tab. A shipping zone defines which shipping options customers see based on their location. A zone can be a country, a region, or multiple regions. For example, if I want to sell in the USA, I'll name the zone USA. Select United States as the region and hit Save Changes. Similarly, if I also want to ship to Canada, I'll create another zone, choose Canada as the region, and save that as well. Each shipping zone has its own shipping methods. You can add them from here or from the WowShipping page. Now back to the setup. You'll see two zones, USA and Canada. Let's start with the USA. Next, choose a calculation method. You'll see manual rates and carrier live rates. For table rate shipping, we'll use manual rates. But if you need, you can integrate carriers with the Pro version. If I select this one, you will see a total of 7 carrier services available, including DHL Express, USPS, FedEx, and so on. As you can see, manual rates offer 3 options: flexible rate, flat rate, and free shipping. We'll cover all of them, starting with flexible rate. This is where we create table rates, also known as tiered or flexible shipping. You'll see how it works in a moment. Next, you can set an expected delivery time, like 3 to 5 days. And this part is optional. Now, if I open this drop-down, you'll notice several types of conditions available. They're nicely grouped by cart, product, customer, location, and a few other categories. In the free version, you get access to all cart-based conditions, including cart total, cart quantity, cart weight, coupons, volume, and more. This is a big deal because most shipping plugins let you use only the cart total and weight for free. Alright, let's start with quantity-based shipping. Here, we'll charge shipping fees based on the number of items in the cart. The more items in the cart, the higher the shipping cost. First, select cart quantity as the condition. Set it to less than 5 and charge $3 for shipping. Add another tier. If the cart quantity is between 5 and 10 items, set the shipping cost to $5. finally, set the shipping cost to $8 for more than 10 items in the cart. You can add as many rate tiers as you need in the free version. And that's it! You've just created a simple quantity-based shipping rule. Here's what I want you to understand. You can create zone-specific rules based on any conditions WowShipping offers. You can keep the same conditions, but charge different prices for different zones. For example, in the United States, the quantity-based rates are $3, $5, and $8. Now, if we want to apply the same condition for the Canada zone, we simply duplicate the shipping method, then update the zone and costs. So for Canada, it's $5 for up to 5 items, $9 for 5 to 10 items, and $11 for more than 10 items. Same condition, only the shipping zone changes. Now, rate calculation solves a very real problem. Sometimes a cart can match multiple shipping rules at the same time. In that situation, rate calculation tells what to do. For example, one shipping rule charges $5 and another charges $3. If both rules apply to the cart, rate calculation decides how much the customer will finally pay for shipping. In the free version, there is only one option called Sum. And Sum means both the $5 and $3 shipping rates are added together, so the customer pays $8 as the final shipping cost. The rest of the calculation options come with the Pro version. If you scroll down, you'll find Advanced Display Rules. This section is optional, but very powerful. It lets you control when the table rates should work. For this quantity-based shipping, we can set the rate to apply only when the cart total is between $200 and $500. So even if a customer has more than 10 items in the cart, the shipping method won't show up if the total is only $100. This way, the specific table rate shows up only when all display rules are met. If you need to apply shipping tax, you can set it here. For now, I'll leave it as none. You can also manage shipping taxes globally, so you don't have to configure tax settings for every shipping method. On the settings page, set your preferred tax option, and it will automatically apply to new shipping methods. You can still select for each method if needed. There are a few important options like debug mode. If shipping rate is missing at checkout, turn it on and go to WooCommerce logs to see the reason. It helps you identify and fix shipping issues quickly. If you enable Delete Data on Uninstall, all shipping data will be removed when the plugin is uninstalled. It's useful when you want a clean reset. You can also set your shipping origin if your fulfillment location is different from your store address. That's it. Now, back to the setup. Here, you'll find visibility controls. In the free version, the shipping method is visible to everyone by default. If you want it for logged in or logged out users, you need to go for the Pro version. The Pro version also unlocks handling fees, where you can add a fixed amount or a percentage of the cart total. You can also decide whether it applies to the entire order or to each individual item, and even make it taxable. That's the setup. Now, let's publish and test it on the front end. With the shipping location set to the United States, I'll add a product to the cart. You can see the shipping cost starts at $3. As I add more items, the total increases to $5, and if I go beyond 10 items, it goes up to $8. The estimated delivery time is shown here as well. Now, if I change the shipping country to Canada, the rates update instantly. For Canada, the shipping cost is $11 for more than 10 items in the cart. That's how you apply the same conditions, but charge different rates for different shipping zones. If weight-based shipping is your main focus, there's a detailed video on it. The link is in the description. But here, we'll quickly walk through how to set up a simple and reliable weight-based shipping. This time, instead of fixed tiers like quantity-based shipping, we'll use an incremental rate, because the fixed tiers can fail when an order exceeds the highest set limit. For example, if you set rates only for up to 50 kilograms and someone orders 100 kilograms, checkout may show no shipping options were found. That's where the incremental system really helps. As the cart weight increases, the shipping cost keeps increasing automatically, so you don't have to worry about setting a maximum limit. Let's say we want to charge $2 for every 5 kilograms in the cart. To do this, we'll use an incremental rule. For each additional 5 kilograms, the shipping cost increases by $2. You can also set a base cost. For example, for orders up to 10 kilograms, the base shipping cost is $3. On top of that, add $1 for every additional 3 kilograms. So if the cart weight is 16 kilograms, the shipping cost becomes $5. That's $3 as the base cost for the first 10 kilograms, plus $2 for the extra 6 kilograms, calculated at $1 per 3 kilograms. Remember to assign weights to your products, otherwise the calculations won't work. To add a weight, open a product, go to Product Data, and enter the weight. You can also create rules based on length, width, height, or volume. The process is the same, just change the condition and set your tiers. Let's add another shipping method, this time based on the cart price. We'll start with a simple setup. I'll select cart total as the condition so we can charge different shipping rates based on how much the customer spends. Now, quick clarification, because this part can be confusing. WowShipping gives you both cart total and cart subtotal conditions. Cart subtotal is just the product value, before tax, shipping, or discounts. On the other hand, cart total is the final amount, after discounts, taxes, and any extra fees. So if you want shipping to depend only on product price, use cart subtotal. If you want it based on what the customer actually pays, use cart total. For this example, we'll stick with cart total. I am creating the rule like from $0 to $100, the shipping cost is $4. And from $101 to $500, shipping is $6. That's it. Now let's add a conditional free shipping method. I'll name it free shipping, so it's clear and easy for customers to understand. As I mentioned earlier, free shipping in WowShipping works a bit differently from WooCommerce default options. So let's quickly go over that. WooCommerce only allows basic rules, like a minimum order amount or a coupon. With WowShipping, you can create much more specific rules. For example, we can say, if the cart total is more than $500, and the cart quantity is between 2 and 5 items, then offer free shipping. These kinds of conditions aren't possible with the default WooCommerce methods. Let's test it. I'll go to checkout, add products so the total goes above $500, and keep the quantity at 5 items. As you can see, free shipping is applied. Now, if I add one more product and the condition no longer matches, free shipping disappears, and the system automatically switches back to other methods. Now, let's set up conditional flat rate shipping for free, something you don't get with the WooCommerce default. First, I'll set the shipping cost. This is the flat amount customers will pay when this method is available. For example, I'll enter $10 here. Below that, you'll see shipping class cost. This is optional, but useful if you work with shipping classes. You can charge different flat rates for different classes, or leave it off if you don't need class-based charging. Now, scroll down to Advanced Display Rules. This is where things get powerful. Here, we decide when this flat rate should appear at checkout. For example, I'll add a rule based on cart total, set it to between, and enter a minimum and maximum value. This means the flat rate will only show if the cart total falls within that range. If the display rule isn't met, this shipping method won't appear. So you're not just setting a flat price, you're controlling exactly when it's available, something WooCommerce default flat rate can't do. So if you want to set up table rate shipping with different conditions, the free version of WowShipping is a great place to start. And if you need more advanced rules and flexibility, you can always upgrade to the Pro version. You'll find the purchase link in the description, along with a 14-day risk-free money-back guarantee, so feel free to try it out. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more table rate shipping tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.